Welcome back to the MX Word video series. In the last class we have discussed about the alignments, and now we are going to move. Now we are moving forward to other options. So now I have another option which is called line spacing. In the line spacing, what you have to do, if you want to increase the space between line, like this space, these are space. If you want to increase these space, simply you have to select this. After selecting this, you have to select the size or spacing, how many spaces you want. 1.0, 1.15, 1.5, 2.0, 2.5, 3.0. It's up to you. You have to select the space whatever you want, 1.0 or 3.0. After that, we have another option which is called shading. If you want to apply shading in your background of text, you can also do that. Simply you have to select the shade and which color you want, this one, it's up to you. If you want to apply on this, you have to select this. After selecting this, you have to define the color. For example, I want to choose this color or this color. It's up to you, any color you want. I have selected this one. After that, I am going to select this one and you have to choose the color again. I have selected this one. So this is the function of shading option. After that, we have borders. Now what is the function of borders? Borders create the borders from the text. If you want border from the bottom of the text, you have to select the bottom border, top border, left border, right border, no border, all border, outside border, inside border. These all are the borders. If you want the border of any side of the text, you have to select that option. So after that, we have another option which is called bullets. If you want to apply the bullets, you can also do that. These are the bullets for the text. After that, you have numbering. If you want numbering, you can also give them numbering. This is we will discuss about this option in the next class. After that, we have increase indent. If you want to increase indent, you can also do that. If you want to decrease it, you can also do that. And this is a decrease and this is an increase indent. So I hope you guys understand these both options. So I hope you guys understand these basic options, and about other options we will discuss in the next class. So see you in the next video.